What's up, guys? This is TampaTec. In this video, I'm going to show you how to program your keypad and also your remote for your garage door opener. Let's go ahead and get started. So this is the universal wireless keypad. We're going to program this one, and we're also going to program these remotes to the garage door opener. And it does come with instructions, and you can hang it on the outside of your garage door on the wall, and there's some instructions how to do it. So make sure when you order the keypad, make sure you order the right keypad for the right garage door module. This one had a purple button as the learn button, so that's how I know. And there's different frequencies where these can, sync with the garage door opener. So let's go ahead and get started. It does come with the battery, as you can see. And so let's go ahead and remove this battery first. Make sure you don't, so anyway, just make sure if you're using a metal tool, make sure you don't touch these two prongs together, positive, negative. Okay, and be careful not to pull on this wire too hard because you can rip it out of the board. So let's go ahead and plug this in, just like that. And now it's going to tell you how to program it right here. And it tells you right here which frequency, type of the garage door opener. And so the purple button is the one we have, and this is 315 megahertz security. So right here, this is how to program it. Press and hold the star and pound key until the lights stop blinking. So we have to press the button first, and then we have to press these two buttons right here, and it will start blinking. See how it's blinking right now? And then from that point on, we're going to have to enter the 4-digit number. Just for video sake, we're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go ahead and press enter. Okay, but we didn't hit the learn button, so I'm just showing you on the keypad what we're going to do. Press this button right here. All right, that's lit for 30 seconds. And then we're going to go ahead and press the button. So this is going to be, you have to hold these two buttons down. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press and release the enter button. All right, so now we're going to program these remotes right here. So there's two different modes, and if you press this button and it's a solid light, that means it's in mode 1. If you have a purple button on your garage door opener, which we do have a purple learn button, that means we are good to go. We don't need to program it to mode 2. This is the instructions how to change the mode, as you can see right here. And so we're going to proceed over to number 3 because we're already in the right mode. And so we're going to go ahead and press the learn button. And then we're going to press and hold the button on here. And then we should hear 2 clicks. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so press this button right here. And then press this button. There we go. And that's it. Super easy. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna reset this. All right, and I'm gonna show you how to reset it by pressing the O and enter button. All right, for 15 seconds. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 2, 1. All right, so that's factory reset in case you ever mess up. And then now we can go back and program it. And so as you can see right here, we have the, on our garage door opener, we have the purple button. And that's important because then when you hit the enter button, you have to hit it twice. And that's going to send a signal, 315 megahertz security signal. And it's going to sync it with the garage door opener to the keypad, or the keypad to the garage door opener. And you should be hearing a click, and a light bulb will flash as well. So if your light bulb is broken, then you'll at least hear the click twice. So that's what we're going to do now. So we're going to continue with this. We're going to locate the button, locate the learn button on the garage door opener. This is the one that we have, is purple. We're going to hold these two buttons down, star and pound. Right? And then right now, enter our code 1, 2, 3, 4, and then press the pound button. Okay, and then we hit enter twice. That's what it says. And then exit, hit 0 to exit. Now we have to hit the purple button. Okay, so this is the garage door opener we have. We have to hit the purple button. And then we're going to punch in the pin. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hit enter. I heard the clicking. It clicked. That means it should be working. So let's go ahead and hit. The garage door is closing. All right. Make sure the garage door is opened when you have this, when you program it. All right, so that should not happen. All right, so now we're gonna test it. You hit the end. Oh, because there's a timer. You can open and close it within 30 seconds. And then after the timer expires, that's why. So you can hit the enter button, open and close it. After you put the PIN code, you can open and close the garage door opener by hitting the enter button numerous times. And after a certain period of time, then it will lock you out unless you put the PIN back in. So, see, now you can't open the garage door opener unless you put the PIN in. All right, and then of course you can close it by hitting the button. So you have access for a limited time to open and close it. Yeah, and so it'll eventually lock you out. And so after a couple of seconds, or I think 30 seconds, it would actually make you put the pin back in. Yeah, see? So you have to put the pin in. There we go. So that's how to program the keypad for your garage door opener. And this is the garage door opener that we have. If this video helped you out, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.